Welcome, I'm Solo. This video is a bit different from my normal content. Today I'll be going over how to get exclamation mark watch time in your Twitch chat fast and easy, even if it's your very first stream. First thing we need to do is to go to streamelements.com and log in with your Twitch account. This is the only way I know to get watch time in your chat. You need to have Stream Elements bot. So link your account using your Twitch to log in. So just click your login with your Twitch. This will just take a second to log in, I imagine. You should start on your dashboard. First thing you can do is just go right over here to the right, and it's going to say bot settings. This is going to be a fairly straightforward, easy settings. You just need to click join channel. Join channel. Perfect. After that's done, you want to make sure that you mod the Stream Elements bot in your Twitch chat. So you want to /mod Stream Elements. Okay, make sure we give Stream Elements. Perfect. Once that's done, we can go back to our Stream Elements page. Then on the left side, you can scroll down to the loyalty settings. Scroll all the way down here where it's going to say loyalty settings and click here. This is something that you have to have enabled for you to have exclamation mark watch time. Without this here enabled, it will always show 0 or not work at all. So you have to click that on and make sure that you click save. There's a couple other settings in here, the currency name, the amount, and then you can add a follower bonus, a tip bonus, and any other things in here. You can change these numbers to whatever you like. And I would add to the ignore users to add stream elements and your own person, so yourself, and then click save. Now once this is enabled, watch time will show up on your stream, and it most likely is going to show up with a 0. I had previously had this bot and shut it all off for the example tutorial, so I already had some watch time. If this comes up as a 0, just keep in mind that it could take anywhere from 1 to 4 hours to not say 0 beside the watch time. So it's something that once you have it activated, just wait an hour or so and then try it again. Make sure that you try it on somebody that you know has watched more than 0 seconds since you've turned it on. Once this here is enabled, it will start the watch time from the time you've enabled it. So you'll have to make sure that you check somebody that's actually watched the channel, and just make sure that you give it an hour to 4 hours before it's going to activate. A lot of people just think it doesn't work right off the bat because it shows up as 0, and it does show up as 0 when it's not working when you first set it up if you do not enable the loyalty settings. So you have to make sure, again, you have to make sure that that is enabled. From here, if you want to do a couple other customizations or anything else to your bot, you can just keep scrolling down the left side here and go to bots and click on modules. There's a few settings in here I enjoy to have on my chat alerts, raffles, and live announcements. But there's a few other things in here that you may want to activate, like there's roulette and bingo and a few other things. I suggest these 3, as if you have any other bot, you might have overlapping commands. So that could be something, a problem you run into. So if you turn on too many things, you may have bots announcing 2 things, so you might have a little bit of spam. So make sure that you're not turning on too many things at one time. Okay, after you go through modules and pick all the ones that you like or see fit to have on your stream, we're going to go down to chat commands next. In here, there's a few things. We want to go over to the user management, and if you have Nightbot, I want you to add Nightbot in here and add it as a new bot user, and just make sure that you have Nightbot in here so you have a few less conflictions. There's a few other settings you can go through as well in the spam filter if you want to block words, or timers if you want to make announcements every so often in your channel. I usually use this bot for the watch time, follow age, and a few other ones. So you have to be careful if you're using Nightbot. You might have a few that are overlapping. If you're using Stream Elements, I suggest checking out the commands that Stream Element has and filling in all the blanks or voids with Nightbot, as Nightbot is a great bot and it fills in all the voids that Stream Elements doesn't have. And on that note, the watch time command has never been easier. In those small few steps, you can have the bot set up on your Twitch stream and a handful of great commands and a lot of protection for spam. Just in a few quick moments of Stream Elements to set it up just by adding the loyalty settings and adding the bot to your account. If there's anything that you think I missed, definitely leave it down in the comments below and I'll try to add it in any future updates I make of this here video. But if you like or found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching, guys.